All right, so today for math class, we will be starting a new unit, and this unit will be fractions. So we'll be doing some fractions and working with fractions for the next couple of weeks or so. So we'll be doing fractions today for math class. So in a fraction, there are two parts. There is a numerator and a denominator. The numerator, or the top number, tells us how many parts are shaded. So looking at this rectangle, I see that one of the parts is shaded yellow. So our top number, or our numerator, is going to be 1. And then our denominator, or our bottom number of the fraction, tells us how many equal parts are in the whole shape. So here's our whole shape. It is a rectangle. So the denominator is going to tell us how many equal parts this rectangle is split into. And I see it's split into 1, 2 equal parts. So 2 could be our denominator. And with 2 as our denominator and 1 as our numerator, our fraction would be 1/2. So let's use those numerators and denominators. So we are going to write the fraction that is shaded in each drawing. And the shaded part is the yellow part. So we know the top number, or our numerator, is how many parts are shaded yellow. I see that 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded yellow. So 3 would be our numerator. And then for our denominator, it's how many pieces are in the equal shape. So I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts in this shape, which is a rectangle. So 4 would be our denominator, or bottom number. And when we have 4 in our denominator and 3 in our numerator, our shaded fraction would be 3/4, because 3 parts are shaded and there's 4 equal parts total. So let's try a couple of these together. So we are going to write the fraction that is shaded for this drawing. So the top number, our numerator, is our shaded parts. So how many of these are shaded yellow? 2 of them are shaded yellow, so we can put a 2 for our numerator, or our top number. And then for our denominator, how many pieces is this rectangle split into? How many equal pieces? 3. There are 3 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3. This rectangle is split into 3 equal parts. So 3 could be our denominator, or bottom number for the fraction. So now that we have them both filled out, the fraction of the shaded part is 2/3. Let's try one more together, and then you guys can try a few by yourself for your homework. So we are going to write the fraction that is shaded in this drawing. So for our numerator, we are going to fill this out first. How many shaded parts are yellow here, or how many parts are shaded yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded yellow. So for our top number here, we can put 4 for our numerator. And now for our denominator, how many equal pieces are in this rectangle? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many equal pieces are here, or in the rectangle? 6. So 6 can go in our denominator. So now that we have it all filled out, we know that 4/6 of this picture is shaded yellow. All right, let's try a couple on your own. So remember, the top number, or the numerator, is the total parts that are yellow or shaded yellow. and the denominator is how many equal parts are in the rectangle. So what fraction of this rectangle is shaded yellow? Two fifths of this rectangle is shaded yellow. What fraction of this rectangle is shaded yellow? Seven tenths of this fraction is shaded yellow. What fraction of this rectangle is shaded yellow? 1/3 of this fraction is shaded yellow because there is one part that is shaded yellow and there are 3 equal parts in this rectangle. So 1/3. And the last question for this type of problem. What fraction of this rectangle is shaded yellow? 3/6 of this fraction is shaded yellow. All right, so now we are going to look at fractions with the numerator, or the top number, of 1. So we know that this fraction is 1/6. The 1 is the total number of shaded yellow parts, and the 6 is the total number of pieces that the rectangle is split into. So we're looking at these 3 pictures. I see that this picture has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So I know that one's not going to work. And I know that this rectangle is split into 1, 2 equal parts. So I know that one's not going to work either. And this one is split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. So this rectangle right here would represent 1/6. So let's match each of these drawings to the correct fraction. So our fraction is 2/5, and we know that the 2, or our numerator, is going to tell us how many parts are shaded yellow. And I see A only has 1 part shaded yellow, so I know A is not going to work. And I see that both B and C have 2 parts that are shaded yellow, so it could be both or B or C. But now let's check out the denominator. Our denominator is 5, so it's going to tell us that the rectangle is split into 5 equal parts. Let's see if B is split into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that's too much. How about C? Is C split into 5 equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is split into 5 equal parts. So C would be our correct drawing because 2 of the 5 equal parts are shaded yellow, or 2/5. Let's try one more together. So we're going to match the drawings with the fraction 1/2, or 1/2. So we're going to look and see which one of these has 1 part that is shaded yellow. And we're going to see which one of these has 2 equal parts. I see that A has 1, 2 equal parts, and 1 of them is shaded yellow. So that one is going to be our answer, because 1 part is shaded yellow and there are 2 equal parts in this rectangle. So 1/2 is shaded yellow. We know B wouldn't work because it's split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. We know C won't work because it's split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So A is our correct answer. Let's try one more or together, and then you are going to try some by yourself. So which one of these drawings represents 2/3, or which one of these drawings has 2/3 of it shaded yellow? Let's check A. First of all, actually, I see that they all have 2 equal parts shaded yellow. So we just need to check and see which one of these has 3 equal parts. Let's try C first. See, C is split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Nope, we're looking for 3. How about B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. Nope, we're looking to see if it's split into 3. How about A? A is split into 1, 2, 3 equal parts, and 2 of them are shaded yellow. So our answer would be A. 2/3 of A is shaded yellow. 1, 2, and there are 1, 2, 3 equal parts. So I want you to try this one by yourself. Which one of these drawings represents 1/10? Does A have 1/10 of it shaded yellow? Does B have 1/10 of it shaded yellow? Or does C have 1/10 of it shaded yellow? So remember, you're going to count up how many equal parts are in the rectangle to find the denominator. And to find the numerator, it's the total number of shaded yellow parts. C would be our correct answer for this one. 1/10 of C is shaded yellow. Which one of these drawings, A, B, or C, represents 5/8 of it shaded yellow? C would be our correct answer because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts shaded yellow, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts in the rectangle. So 5/8 of C is shaded yellow. Which one of these drawings represents 2/4? B would represent 2/4 because 2 of the 4 equal parts are shaded yellow. Which one of these drawings, A, B, or C, would represent 7/9? C would represent 7/9 because 7 of the equal 9 parts are shaded yellow. And our last question, which one of these drawings, A, B, or C, represents 2/5? B would represent 2/5 because 2 of the 5 equal parts are shaded yellow. All right, that is it for today. Check back tomorrow and we will be working on improper fractions with Miss Fosberg.